Hello everyone. This video is regarding a demonstration explaining simple mechanism for integration of Browntape with an ERP system and how the bidirectional data flow can happen between marketplaces and sellers' ERP system. Browntape provides public APIs for important e-commerce operations such as fetching details of newly created sales orders, updating details and statuses of sales orders, creating new SKUs, updating inventory counts of the existing SKUs. The APIs would be modified to write the details of orders that are newly created or whose status is updated into a flat file in a predefined FTP server. This flat file would be accessed by the client's ERP system through an appropriate call. Similarly, all updates from ERP system to Browntape would also flow through flat files. Now let's have a diagrammatic explanation to understand the integration approach. We have the marketplaces like Snapdeal, Magento, or even like Flipkart, etc. We have the Browntape software. We have the ERP like SAP, Oracle, etc. And then we have the FTP layer. Now when an order is created by a buyer in any of the marketplace, the details of the same is copied in Browntape when the marketplace and Browntape are synced. The frequency of this syncing can be decided based on the expected volume of orders in marketplace. New orders which are yet to be confirmed by sellers will be pushed by Browntape to a flat file in the FTP server. The data from the flat file is then parsed by the ERP systems, and then following the mechanism or process in the corresponding ERP tool, the sales orders are created. After the sales order is created, it will follow the normal order approval process. Once the order is approved, then the ERP system would update another flat file in the FTP server. The same would be parsed by Browntape and update the status of order in Browntape to processing. In the next Browntape to marketplace sync, such orders would be marked as confirmed in the marketplace. After approving the sales order in ERP, it will be picked, packed, and posting of goods issue would be completed. Additionally, the invoice would also be created. It is important that the ERP user completes the invoice creation immediately after the PGI, as marketplaces prepare the shipping slips and the invoices together. Now, after the approval of the invoice, the ERP system would update another flat file in the FTP server. Browntape would parse this file and update the order status to ready to ship, and also update the order with the packaging details and invoice number. These details would be pushed to marketplace by Browntape in their next sync. Once the status is changed to ready to ship, then the marketplaces generate the shipping slips and invoices, which would be downloaded by Browntape to its own server and publish a flat file in the FTP server, showing the details of the order and a link to download the marketplace documents. The ERP system would then poll the FTP server and parse the flat file to store the documents in a specific area where the warehouse operators can print the documents. Once printed, the same would have to be provided by Prestige's warehousing team as part of the material being shipped. The goods are then shipped to the appropriate location. So this provides a general overview of how integration may take place between Browntape and an ERP system. Thank you.